I make $14,000 in my first year selling on Fiverr, and in this video I'm gonna give you the exact step-by-step blueprint which you can copy and paste to do the same. Also, I'm gonna talk about some of the new features which Fiverr introduced, which are very cool. First of all, $14,000 in a year is not a big amount of money, but if you consider it as a basic source of income and not a main source of income, it is still a decent amount of money. And the cool part about Fiverr is that it grows with time. When I first started selling on Fiverr, I was making around $70 to up to $200 a month, but now I'm making around $1,500 to up to $2,500 every single month. And by the next 12 months, I'm sure I'll be making $25,000 to up to $40,000. But if you are in a big niche, you can actually make more money than that. The reason why I'm limited to making around $2,000 to $3,000 per month in Fiverr is because my niche is dropshipping, and dropshipping, even though it's popular, it's not that big like logo design or some of that. If you don't know, some of the top sellers in Fiverr are actually making over $30,000 every single month. Some of the biggest services which are in demand in the market, you can actually see that they have a pending order of around 100 or 200, and they don't actually do it by themselves. It is impossible. I also don't do my stuff myself. We actually hire people. The reason why getting into Fiverr now is a massive opportunity is because Fiverr is paying these influencers or these YouTubers to promote Fiverr, which means Fiverr will grow in the future. The more the Fiverr grows, the more buyers it has, and the more people will see your gig and they will buy from you. So it is a massive opportunity to get into Fiverr in the moment, because you will definitely see some massive improvements. You will see a lot of people coming into your gig, your service, and buying in the future. So definitely you should get into Fiverr in the moment. I'm not gonna recommend Fiverr if you are already a six-figure entrepreneur, but if you are just starting out your business and if you want to be in the make money online thing for the first time, Fiverr is actually a good thing to do, because it takes literally $0 if you actually want to do it. You can still spend some amount of money to actually get started, but still you can do this for $0. To keep in mind, I am a level 2 seller in Fiverr. If you want to see how authentic I am, you can go to www.fiverr.com/Renson and you can see my profile, my portfolios, the reviews, and all those things. I have seen some YouTube videos about people talking about selling on Fiverr, but I don't think any level 2 seller on Fiverr has come up on this platform to talk about it. So here, what you are about to get is the advice, the tips, and the tricks from a level 2 seller in Fiverr. So get ready, take your notepad, take your pen, and let's start the work. The new feature which Fiverr introduced, which I was talking about, is running ads on Fiverr, and it is very profitable. Like Facebook, YouTube, and Google Ads, you can actually promote your gigs, your services on Fiverr itself by paying Fiverr. But this feature is only available if you have been selling on Fiverr for a while and if you have good reviews on your gig or your service. And the cool part about this is that the ROAS is very high, unlike Facebook ads. If you don't know what ROAS is, ROAS means return on ad spend, which means how much dollar you get back for every $1 you spend. For this month, I spent $21.36 and I generated $480, which is a insane ROAS, which is very high ROAS if you compare it to Facebook, where you get a ROAS of around 2 or 3 or 4 at the maximum. So guys, for the first time ever, a level 2 seller in Fiverr is going to share with you the exact strategy, the blueprint, and all the tips and tricks to actually start a successful business on Fiverr, making passive income. So for the first time, I'm gonna sell you my course, the Renson Fiverr Mastermind Program 1.0, for just $299, which you can get it from the link in description now and start making passive income from Fiverr. No, we don't sell a course. That was just a joke. I will give you the blueprint for free. Hey, just kidding. I'm not gonna sell you a course just like that. I'm gonna share the strategy for free, no upsells or no bullshit like that. Actually, I already have made the video on the step-by-step Fiverr blueprint, so if you want to check it out, it's already in my channel. So I will also give the link in the description, which you can check it out. No upsells, no cross sells, no selling course and stuff. It's 100% free. It doesn't have much views, the reason I don't know, but I think it's one of the most valuable videos ever created on Fiverr, because I don't think any other level 2 or top level seller in Fiverr has shared their secret ever. Also, if you are planning to start selling on Fiverr, and if you are already a seller, and if you are struggling, and if you have some questions, feel free to leave a comment below. I will definitely reply to your comment. That is it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, please drop a like as always, and also subscribe if you are new to this channel. I only drop values. I don't sell you any course or stuff, just talking from my experience and giving you whatever value I can. And once again, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Peace.